Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Near Protocol's Near tokens. So guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well. You can find the link to my Twitter account in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs and day trading stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow, you guys. So we're going to look into Near Protocol today. Now, here's the thing, you guys. I'm a lot different than most people, okay? I don't use technical analysis to figure out long-term price predictions, okay? I go based off of market cap levels. I trade based off of market cap levels, and that's the way I've been doing it for the last 5 years, and it's worked out great for me. I mean, I've made quite a bit of money in the last 5 years, and, hey, it's not going down anytime soon. So, yeah, I'll show you exactly how I do it today. It's pretty simple, very easy to do, and, hey, it's all based on how you are as a trader, okay? I'm a long-term investor, okay? I do day trade, but most of my net worth is in long-term positions. And the thing here is you guys you have to be patient, okay? The whole name of the game here is to be patient, okay? I'm not holding on to these coins for 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm literally buying them with a large amount at the very beginning and forgetting about them for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, however long it takes until it reaches my market cap level. And 9 times out of 10 it happens, so I don't worry about it. So guys, we're going to see how high Near Protocol could potentially go. And here's the other thing, you guys. I'm not a moon boy, so I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Near Protocol is going to go to $1,000 or anything like that. If you're into the moon boy predictions, you're going to have to go watch BitBoy Crypto or the Moon Carl or something like that, because that's not me, okay? I am dealing with my real money here. I'm a middle class guy, so I'm working with a lot of money here that I made by working. So I want to make sure that I'm making the best possible investment decisions as possible. So I don't go based off of moon boy moon shoots, okay? So we're going to try to figure out what a good long-term price prediction would be here for Near Protocol. Now guys, the first thing I want to do is I want to see what the market cap was when it hit its all-time high. So as we can see here, you guys, it does have an all-time high currently of $20.42, and that actually happened, not just recently too. So we'll take $20.42 and we'll go ahead and multiply that by its current circulating supply, which would be 660, 209, 375. And guys, we're going to come out with a market cap of roughly $13.4 billion, you guys. Again, this project, Near Protocol, it's currently ranked number 22 in CoinMarketCap, and as you guys can see, it's got almost 500,000 people that have it on their watch list. It's a very, very popular project, a very popular ecosystem, you guys. And it's only going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on. I mean, think about it, you guys. As more money flows into the crypto market, more money flows into all these other crypto projects as well, especially the projects that are within the top 100. So it's safe to say that Near Protocol is going to be growing long term. So guys, for the sake of this video and for the sake of my long-term price prediction, I'm going to go ahead and base my long-term price prediction on the thought process that Near Protocol can eventually reach heights of at least a $25 billion market cap at some point in time in the future, you guys. I see no reason why it can't reach those levels. So we're going to multiply these numbers and see what we get until we reach a market cap level of $25 billion, you guys. Now, obviously, when this happens, the circulating supply is going to be more than where it's at right now. So for the sake of this video and my prediction, since I like to be safe rather than sorry and, whatever, I'm going to use a circulating supply of 700 million for this one, okay? So we're going to use 700 million, and we are going to start multiplying it by different numbers until we reach a market cap of 25 million or $25 billion, you guys. Now, obviously, when you think about it, I mean, what times 7 equals 25? I mean, obviously, we got 7, 14, 21, 28. So 7 times 4, so $40. At $40, it would be a market cap of roughly $28 billion, right? So obviously, it's going to be less than $40, but 7 times 3 is 21, so that's going to be $21 billion. So it's going to be between $30 and $40. So we're going to go ahead and try 35, okay? So we'll try $35 first. So $35, and we're going to come out with a market cap of $24.5 billion. And to be honest with you guys, I think I'm going to keep it at that because that's a very safe number to use. That's very, very, very close to my prediction of, $25 billion in the long term. So guys, for my long-term price prediction for Near Protocol, I'm actually going to go ahead and go with $35, to be brutally honest with you. Now, What I also like to do here is I like to see how much I could potentially make on my return on my investment if I were to invest in it today. Now, here's the thing, you guys. When I invest into long-term projects for the long term, I usually like to buy at the right times, and honestly, right now at $12.34, I don't think that's the right time for Near Protocol. I would personally buy this when once it goes down a little further, especially if my prediction sits at $35. I want to make it as much as I possibly can. So minimum, I'd probably wait until $10. I don't know. We'll see what the return on the investment would be. So let's see here. If we were to start off with $10,000 today and buy in right now at $12.34, we would come out with 810.37 tokens. So 810.37 tokens. And if we wait, 810.37 tokens. And now, guys, we're going to go ahead and multiply this by $35 at that all-time high. Okay? And we are going to come out with $28,000, which would be realistically, you guys, a $18,000 return on your investment. The reason why it doesn't seem like it's that much is because, like I said, you guys, Near Protocol is very high right now. It needs to drop further before it would be considered a good long-term hold, okay? Honestly, realistically, there's a lot of other coins out there where you could buy for the long term and hold, and you're going to make a lot more money. This one doesn't seem like very much, to be honest with you. And I'm being completely honest here with you guys. I mean, the math doesn't lie. It's right here in front of our faces. So the best time to buy this project would have been when it was, below $10, to be honest with you. Because realistically, I mean, there's really not much more price potential to go with this one unless, the only other option here that we have is to literally hope that, the market cap can reach higher than $25 billion at some point in the future. But as we can see here, you guys, it's at $8.1 billion, okay? And at its current all-time high, it hit, a much less than $25 billion, like $13 billion. So it's going to take a lot for this project to get up to $25 billion. And if it does, it's only going to have roughly a price of right around $35 or so, you guys. So realistically here, numbers don't lie. They really don't. We can see it right here. Your potential return on your investment would only be roughly $18,000, or for a total of $28,000. So realistically, you guys, there's a lot more other projects where you can make a lot more in the long term if you hold for the long term. But if you're a big fan of this project and a big fan of this ecosystem and you do want to hold on to it for the long term, I would honestly suggest waiting until it drops further. Personally, I would wait until it drops below $10 at some point, if it ever does. So there you go, guys. My long-term price prediction for Near Protocol, or the Near token, is going to be $35, okay? So guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.